Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Receipts to Sheets app tutorial. Today I'm going to share how you can leverage AI insights inside our Receipts to Sheets app. Now, if you're completely new to the Receipts to Sheets app, I suggest you watch our complete Receipts to Sheets tutorial, which I'll link down below in the description. This covers everything that you can do with this receipt and expense management app. Okay, let's get started. This is where you can leverage AI to gain quick insights into your expenses. These are the expenses that you've added inside your Google Sheets template, whether those are manually added expenses or receipt data that you've sent from this app. For example, if we navigate down here, we can simply add a prompt inside the search bar, or we can select from these options. For example, what was my biggest expense over the last month? And as you can see, that was the brunch club, $486 on the 26th of October. Now we can edit the insight by simply adding more information here if we like, before copying the data, and that's copied to our clipboard, and we can share with an employee, or we can add somewhere else. Now let's use another template prompt, generate a bar graph comparing my expense categories over the last 90 days. And you can see a bar graph has been generated. Now we can also preview in a full screen, as you can see, like this. And then we can also share and create a PDF that contains the result of my prompt. For example, let's share this with my laptop and have a look. As you can see, AI has instantly generated this response, this PDF report based on my prompt. Expense categories comparison. You can see the date and time this report was generated, a summary, total categories recorded, total amount, highest category, and you can see the results over here, as well as category distribution over the last 90 days based on my prompt. And then we have the breakdown down here. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's jump back inside the app. Okay, let's add a custom prompt to further understand my expenses on my connected Google Sheets template. Create a pie graph of my expenses based on categories in October 2025. Let's click done and generate insight. And you can see the AI insight has been generated. Expense categories distribution. This is the pie graph based on my expenses in October. Again, I can click on share and that's going to generate a PDF. And I can share that PDF with my team if I like. I'm going to preview what the PDF looks like on my laptop again. Okay, so here we have the AI Insights report powered by Receipts to Sheets. Down here you can see the report details. So remember, this was a custom prompt and you can see the custom prompt down here. We also have the AI analysis, and then we have the expense categories breakdown. We've got total expenses, number of categories, highest category and lowest category. If we navigate down, we have the pie graph distribution, as well as the category, amount, and percentage. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Let's jump back inside the Receipts to Sheets app. Now back inside AI Insights, if we click on this gear icon, that's going to show us the spreadsheet connected. So you want to make sure that you've connected the right Google Sheets template, and you'll see the worksheet that is being analyzed. If you're connecting Sheetify Bookkeeping, the worksheet will always be expenses. If you're connecting a custom Google Sheets template or creating a Google Sheets template from scratch with this app, the worksheet name will be R2S expenses. As you can see, this AI receipt scanner and expense manager is powerful for Google Sheets users that want to better track and manage day-to-day expenses. Again, if you're interested in learning more about our Sheetify Bookkeeping template that you can connect to the Receipt to Sheets app for free, I will add the relevant information down below in the description. Now, if you have any questions about this tutorial, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.